I modified this dial, Rado Diastar. I wanted to have it in blue. This is not an original Rado. This is one of the clones. Anyways, I really like it, the way it came out. The only issue here is that I don't have the movement and I don't know the reference. I know they sell Chinese movements, clones, stuff like that. I was only able to find one with the day and date at the 3 o'clock, but I have not been able to find one that will fit this dial, this watch. So if you know, if you're watching this video and you know where I can get it, the reference and so on and so forth, please let me know. I really will appreciate it. I did a research, Google, you name it, for a few days, can't find it. So maybe it's under a different uh, reference number. Um, and I haven't even been able to find one with the day and date at the 6 o'clock. So if you have any information, please let me know. Thank you so much.